You know, we should get a sticks that make like wise. Yeah, we make wise. Alright, see, like there.
That is really cool. I love it.
It's not gonna stay for this one.
I like when to roast. I want to roast some marshmallows over this.
It's too heavy.
It's very creative. Super creative.
I need more sticks.
It's so creative. I'm going to take a picture.
What are you doing? I got it, bro. I got it.
Look at it.
I know what we're doing. Everybody else doing something else and we doing that.
That's really cool. I like what you guys are building.
Yeah, I told you. This guy. I thought of everything. What?
Bruh.
Not a full circle. Bruh.
I should have.
That is a good party.
Hold on.
Where did Bigger Thomas go?
He took him away.
Yo, I'm doing a little education, alright? Hurry up.
Are you going to put a little tooth, or like, going to build a little fire in there?
Just put him in. You gotta start recording. You should take some.
All right, so you guys don't forget, you need to make video of this. And
We gotta make a comedy too. Albert, you're trying to make some fire? I think that 5. Yeah, you fell 6.